Hi everybody, David here from Living Tech. Thanks for joining me. From time to time I have the need to weld during the course of my tech projects, and I don't have the skill or a welder, or I didn't until recently. So I picked up a Lincoln Electric MIG Pack 180. That's not what we're reviewing here today, but I had this and I hadn't opened the box yet. So I was sort of looking for a reason to get started on welding before I actually needed it in the next time in my projects. So I was surfing Instagram and I saw a product called the MagHolder. It looks like this. And what it is just configurable magnet that allows you to orient different pieces of steel at different angles, configurations. And I thought this would be helpful to the types of welding that I would normally probably want to do. This is a kind of magnet that welders often use, and it's great for 90s, 45 degrees, some pipe, that sort of thing. But I wanted something a bit more configurable. So I reached out to the company. The company is called Weldline Steel. I reached out to them and asked them if they would donate a few of these to the cause and allow me to review them on my YouTube channel. So I didn't pay for these, but the understanding is that I will try them out and review them and give the pros and cons as I see them. So if I like what I see, I'll say what I like, and if I don't like certain aspects, I'll say what I don't like. Weldline Steel, confident in their product. I guess we're happy to take me up on this. So I appreciate that. It'll be fun to have these products. I will keep them. But anyway, so I did test these out. Now, I haven't welded before, so I enlisted the help of my friend Darcy, who is a professional marine contracting welder. And so he helped me get this machine set up and put these devices through their paces. So stick around. Let's go see what happened.
Okay. Well, I'll show you how I'm doing it too, and then you can do it.
That's a nice jacket.
It's a really nice jacket.
Okay.
Alrighty?
Yep.
So let's see what we can do here. See if we can get a tack on this. So it seemed to work pretty good actually. So this time we'll do it in that corner. But yeah, that's it. It's not good at all. That one's holding there, and then it just needs to be closed. Alright. That's fine.
Okay.
So now that you've held it.
Now you take it off and...
Yeah, that might not be strong enough though, because say this little weld is tacked over here, and you started putting a full pass on here,
yeah.
it would be
Can
enough.
you put in 4 then?
Yeah, it would be enough, it would break that. So then, yeah, what you want to do is do it a little bit more.
Okay.
Yep. I would just say get your nozzle a little closer. Good. Now you remove your clips, so you don't weld on them. Weld that all around if you wanted to.
You okay?
Yep.
Like starting from here?
Yep. Okay.
Nice.
This one here in this corner.
Yep.
You want to go like that, and then.
Now, would you take that off, and then would you put a tack weld on the other side as well?
Yeah, or even on
Yeah.
here. So, all right, let's do something different with these things. See, now I'm not even moving it, I'm just going straight down.
Yeah.
Go down just a bit, there you go. There you go. It's not good at all.
I think.
Maybe just go
Oh,
right where that piece is.
Okay, yeah. Good idea. About there?
Yep. Yeah,
Okay.
that'll work. Yeah, good. Good. Sweet. I think you're all set.
Okay, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Thanks to my buddy Darcy for showing me the ropes with the welding. Really appreciate it. Darcy Reese, you might not want me saying your last name.
That's fine.
Nobody's going to chase you down. Okay, so anyway, thanks again to Darcy for giving me this tutorial on the MagPack 180.
Thanks, David.
Thanks. Okay, I'm just going to do a final summary here of what I like and don't like about these magnets. So when I first got them, I was thinking they would be great for odd shapes, orienting odd shapes at odd angles, welding together, and they'd just be very flexible with how you use them. I compare that to, I did earlier, to this red magnet, and I know you could do 45, 90, 135, some bar, some angle iron, that sort of thing. So I sort of pictured this to be strong and maybe a little less flexible in terms of the different configurations you could achieve. And I pictured these to be the opposite. Small, very flexible, not as strong. That is what I've found. Sort of. I mean, these red ones for sure are strong, and I have no doubt that this will hold. But this one, I've got my hand under here just so that, you know, in case something happens, but that is incredible. Anyway, all this to say, these magnets are way stronger than I thought they were going to be. So does it replace the big red magnets? I'm sorry, I can't remember what they're called. But does it replace them? No, it absolutely does not. But it definitely enhances your capabilities if you have these in your shop. At some points I was welding, you saw from the video, I was welding very closely to them, and they're no worse for the wear. So something like this really saves you time because you just put it in the orientation you need it, tack weld it, take the magnets off, and then do the final welds. That's it, I guess, for what I have to say. I already thanked Darcy, but I'd like to thank him again. That was super kind of him to come over and give me a hand starting with my starting welding. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'm going to put links to several items you saw in this video in the comments below. Please use our link to get to Amazon. If you do, no matter what you buy after, we get a small percentage of it, and it helps the channel out. So have a great day. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll catch you next time.